This video is going to be on Amoxil. This is Amoxil for pediatric use. This has 20 ml of pediatric drops. It has Amoxicillin in it, 125 mg per 1.25 milliliters. This is made by GlaxoSmithKline and the price for the bottle is 65 rupees. Amoxicillin is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. This medication is a penicillin-type antibiotic. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections. It will not work for viral infections such as common cold and flu. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it not to work for future infections. Amoxicillin is also used with other medications to treat stomach or intestinal ulcers caused by bacteria such as H. pylori and to prevent the ulcers from returning. The dosage for this is 50 mg per kg. The dosage depends on the weight and the condition of the person being treated. And I hope you like the video. If you like our videos, please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.